Oh dear, okay.
I put together this little video of all the projects that I've done over this last year. It's been a really busy year. It's been a really productive year. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy man's back in his three-piece suit. The big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the sides of Canada can't spray away the truth, 'cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. If you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Doobie-doo.
I'd like to thank my kids for their support in my company. And I'd like to remind them, keep supporting, because one day this will be yours. Maybe. Unless you make me mad. I'd like to thank the Gutierrez brothers for letting me build their houses. I'd like to thank the Stout family for all their support, all their brothers they lent to the cause, everyone who's helped me out with every hour of work that they put on my construction company. I'd also like to thank my wife for standing by me. And I'd like to remind everyone, 1,000 subscribers, this hair is gone. I'm cutting it, buzzing it all off. Give me some subscribers.